Okay guys, so I will be doing my makeup right now for this whole video, and my skin is showing me flames, has been showing me. I just popped this pimple and wow, it's just oof, I don't know, but it will be good because I haven't been taking good care of it lately. But I am going to start taking good care of my skin, take out my makeup every single time I have makeup on, and just in general making sure that my skin is nice and prepped. I'm going to use my vitamin cream for dark spots from Garnier. And as you can see, I'm applying it to problem areas. Yeah, this is really hectic, but it's gonna go away. So and then I'll be using my vitamin C protective cream. First, I'm gonna go in with my Garnier vitamin C booster serum. I'm not really sure of the progress or what this serum is helping with, but it makes my skin feel really good so far. So far so good. We will see the results because I've only been using it for 2 weeks, if not 3. Apparently results are supposed to be showing within the first week, but I haven't really been like watching anything or monitoring my skin, so that's probably why. Then going in with my vitamin C protective sun cream. I love this stuff so much. It is so good. I love it so much. It feels so good on my skin too, so love it. Change the angle because I'm gonna be doing my makeup now, so yeah. Whew, I love my new camera. You can't tell me anything, okay? Okay, so first eyebrows, as always. I'm just gonna make sure that my makeup looks camera ready more than anything, you know, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just taking content, so I need to look snatched so that I don't have to do editing. Next, I'm going to be doing my lips. Just using this Essence Eyebrow Designer, but I use it for my lips because it's not that dark for me to use it for my eyebrows. I don't like it for my eyebrows because it's not really that dark, and I love my eyebrows to be dark. Let me stop talking because it's distracting me from what I'm doing. If I'm going to be putting lip gloss before I wear my clothes, it's going to be a mess. Like, I know myself. So this is my makeup, you guys. This is my makeup. I didn't contour my nose. I don't know, I just feel like it's really contoured. Okay guys, my battery is low. I'm just gonna charge my battery and then take you guys with me to take content. I will take some with my phone. I know I said I wouldn't take with my phone anymore. Didn't charge my battery like since when? Not yesterday, so I'm gonna have to charge it. So I'll take some content with my phone. See y'all. So guys, these are all my outfits. Outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, outfit 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, I have 7 outfits for this whole thing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. And mind you, this is like my third outfit. Okay, I already took in a dress, I took in what did I take in, Gunji? A dress, I took in a silk satin set, and this is my third outfit. This is from Revolve. This is from Revolve. Boots are from Revolve. Boots from Revolve. Sunglasses are from Mr. Price, and I look so good. Like, even the camera is picking all of that up. Okay, I actually want to take like a nice sit down video. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you the pictures that I took so long. I'll wait for you, I will wait for you. Early in the morning, Saturday, what? Here's a picture. That is with this outfit that I'm wearing right now. The boots, the tights. You know what, I look so good. Like, what? So it's like a set. This is the next outfit, which is just like a satin set. My dome bag, some slides, and then my hairstyle, but it was more puffy, and my blue light glasses. Yeah, just blue light glasses, because they look really good, you know, like with a all black outfit. That was the second outfit I took outside. Remember guys, I was charging my camera. And then I also took these indoors with the same outfit, just to see how it will come out, and I wasn't really feeling it that much, so yeah. And then this one, guess, is like, I look like I'm from Brazil. Like, I love these ones, like, for real, like, I look so good, you guys. Like, I look so good. Like, look at that. Even the posing is on point today, you guys. Yeah. You know, when you're motivated to take content, your posing is absolutely good. And I need to change my hair now, because I've taken with the same hair 3 outfits, so oh, here's Precious, guys. Can you hear me? I'm about to order some food. Let's get some. What is this? Look, get cocktail. What did you get? Can I please get projecting that breakfast thing? Breakfast bun? Yeah, that was nice. Can I get that? What did you get? Chicken flavor. But it was supposed to be a light meal. But it's light. Okay, can I also get this? I mean, I thought it was going to be chicken strips. I think it's how we went. Can I also get this? Chicken fries. Okay, it looks nice. It smells nice. My YouTube videos from my laptop, because I don't. What's editing it's fast, yeah. But maybe I'm saying it's fast because I've never used editing on my laptop. I'm gonna get copyrighted. You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Popo. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me, cooking on my fantasy. What they check if my dad be no wrong. But it ain't rush well, it be much. Now gotta make my car be the rush.
I'm the one I did. I never take my cake away. I did. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no more yeah. What they want telling me, good enough my fantasy. They want to check if my dad can go wrong. But it ain't rush my way, it be more. Now gotta make my heart beat it all.
Okay guys, so I'm back and yeah, it was a nice day. I am calling it a night. I'm having some yogurt. This is the best yogurt ever. Thank you to my cousin Lozzie for plugging me. This is the double cream strawberry cheesecake flavored yogurt. It's the best. I'll never ever have normal nje yogurt ever again, because this one was number one. Anyways, thank you for watching. We have come to the end of the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.